Beat hustle, turning music production into an economic power move. Music isn't just passion, it's profit. If you're even remotely interested in sound, rhythm, and creativity, music production is a modern hustle that fits in your laptop, your bedroom, and your schedule. It doesn't just have to be art for art's sake. You can turn that vibe into value. Let's be real, beats are everywhere. From TikTok trends to background tracks on YouTube, to indie games and commercials. Somebody has to make them. Why not you? Production today is accessible. You don't need $1 million studio. You need software, consistency, and a little direction. I offer production lessons for anyone who wants to learn. Whether you want to make drill beats, lo-fi chill hop, trap, or cinematic samples, I can help you learn how to turn your sound into income. Think beyond streaming. Think licensing. Think leasing beats to rappers, producers, brands, and gamers. Think content packs, selling sample kits, and offering mix and mastering services. The money isn't just in the music, it's in understanding how the economy of sound works. Music production is scalable. Start with your own beats. Sell them. Then build a brand, teach others, offer services. This is how you take your creative drive and plug it directly into the modern creator economy. Don't let your talent sit in silence. Learn how to flip sound into value. Message me if you're ready to turn your music into a business. My Facebook is @OnlineLore. Lore as in Lore.